Hey guys, so we are at this little montaña that we've been trying to go to for a good minute now. Brought Bowie with us just to explore. And look at this. Look at this craziness.
I'm gonna leave my phone.
Okay.
Because it doesn't really work.
So we're just gonna come for a little walk. We just came for a little walk. And where's the entrance? See how it goes. There's Bowie, all dirty and Alfredo.
All dirty
Bowie.
too.
Bowie. So yeah. There's like a bunch of little trails all around.
A whole bunch of red ants too.
Oh shit. There's red ants and there's signs also for rattlesnakes. Exciting. Oh my god. And I put my sweet sweat on, so you know your girl gonna lose some. Look at all these holes. Anyways, so your girl gonna lose a few pounds up in her. There. Why don't we go like this?
Well, here's longer.
Oh, okay.
Oh, actually,
That's our goal. And look at the smoke, you guys. From the fire, it's over there on that side. Whoop-shoo!
oh shit, is that a fire right there?
Yeah. Oh no. I don't know.
It's red.
Oh my gosh, look at my crazy hair. We made it to the top, guys. Not that
2 hours of hiking.
yeah, right. Look at that view, though. Except Alfredo's farts, but it's okay. There's still more to go up this rock, so let's see if we can do it. Oh my gosh. He looks like, oh fuck, I guess.
He was scared.
Hey, Bowie!
He's a mountain climber.
Bowie! That's a wrap. That's a wrap. Hop it.
That's a wrap.
So we just came just to see what's around here, not necessarily to work out. But next time we come, we're planning on not bringing our son, Bowie, and we're gonna run up the hills and everything. But yeah, there's a lot of little random trails that all lead up to the top of the hill. Some are more steeper than others. And then the other ones are kind of like easy.
You get ready, summer 2019. Here we come.
Summer 2020 though. No, summer 2020. I'm coming for you. It's gonna be the best year of my life. I'm gonna be all flaca. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna leave Alfredo. Do you hear him? I'm gonna leave Alfredo when I lose weight. Whatever. And I think that's gonna be it. I don't know. I doubt we're gonna do dinner.
You doubt we're gonna do dinner?
Yeah. Who knows? Yeah, I'm gonna call it. End this vlog, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's vlog is gonna be a little interesting. Gonna try some new stuff. Hopefully it works out as I planned. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Bowie.
Oh, say bye.